I've dedicated a lot of my life to training and to paddling and to getting in my long distance runs, making sure I've got my mileage under my belt. You know, I still race a lot, but being a mom and rolling through our different activities throughout the week and weekend, I'm at a point in my life now where if I can save some energy, I'm going to do it. The hall allows me to be self-sufficient because everyone has a job in our family. It's sun up to sundown. We're just running nonstop. If there's no rodeo, then we're loading up the truck and we're heading to the beach and we're going to surf or paddle and barbecue. We're so lucky to live in such a beautiful place. My husband is a hunter, and so a lot of our meat we're pulling from our freezer, and a lot of our vegetables coming right off our property. It's just nice to know where your food comes from. Having, 4 kids and a large family and living on a family compound, the kitchen is where our family centers around food and eating. The hall allows us to bring our food from Mauka to Makai, or as we say, mountain to the ocean in Hawaii. Having so many different family members and kids and nephews and nieces, we all have something that goes in that cooler. Whether it's baby food, lunch meat, snacks, or water, or some cold beers, the hall has us covered.
At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Jazz, our luxury sleeping bag designed to bring the experience of your bed at home with you wherever you choose to make camp. Updated with thoughtful features and sustainable materials that are better for people and the planet, Jazz is sure to become your new favorite place to sleep. Starting with a tapered trapezoidal geometry, we reduce excess volume at the head and foot to keep the interior toasty, while maintaining unprecedented roominess throughout. Taking steps towards sustainability, Jazz's DWR treated shell, ultra soft taffeta liner, and luxury sheet are made of 100% GRS recycled polyester fabrics. And the overfilled quilt and featherbed style bottom are both insulated with Stratofiber, a premium synthetic insulation that is also 100% recycled. The ultra-soft built-in bedsheet gives you versatility on summer nights and is removable and machine washable. Jazz's integrated pad sleeve keeps your camp pad in place when you reposition in the night and is topped with an insulated featherbed style quilted layer for plushness. And our unique blanket fold is great for regulating your body temperature and snuggling on chilly nights. For increased comfort, we've also added a Stratofiber draft tube that folds behind snag-free zippers to efficiently seal in warmth. Symmetrical zippers on both sides offer individual foot and upper body venting and precise temperature control for both sleepers, while also allowing bags to be easily joined together. Offered in single and double configurations, Jazz provides comfortable sleep for individuals, couples, or connect a few for the whole crew. For building a luxury camp sleep system, Jazz integrates perfectly with our ultra-comfy Roamer sleeping pads. And best of all, when it's time to pack up, keep your deflated sleeping pad in place and roll them up together in Jazz's oversized duffel for grab-and-go convenience. When you're looking to mix the comfort of home with your night under the stars, Jazz hits the perfect note. And like all Nemo products, your Jazz comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.
Hey everybody, Brian here with Jetboil, and this is the new 1.5 liter FluxRing ceramic cook pot. It's one of my absolute favorite things to cook with in the backcountry, and today I'm going to show you what makes it so cool. This thing is packed with a ton of cool features that'll help take your backcountry cooking to the next level. First, let's talk about the new ceramic coating on the inside of the pot. That means you're not going to end up with those last bits of your dinner burned to the bottom. It's an eco-friendly, PFOA-free, non-stick ceramic coating that's specially designed for easy food release and cleanup. What does that mean? Well, it's basically the same stuff that your high-end non-stick pots and pans at home are made of. That means you can cook things like oatmeal or even chili in the backcountry and not have to worry about it sticking to the bottom of the pot. That non-stick ceramic coating also means this thing is super easy to clean up. Now that's a huge deal, and you know why if you've ever gotten stuck with dish duty after dinner at camp. I've never used a cook pot that's easier to clean. You can basically just wipe it down with a rag and you're all set. Now, just because this thing is fancy and nice to cook on doesn't mean it lacks the tech that you expect from Jetboil. As you can see, it features FluxRing technology on the bottom here, which gives this pot industry-leading boil times and fuel efficiencies. It also helps make sure that the pot heats evenly, so you won't have to worry about hot spots or scorched food. That new ceramic coating doesn't sacrifice weight either. It weighs just over 10 ounces, so it's light enough to get way out into the backcountry. 1.5 liters is perfectly sized for groups of up to 4. As you can see, the wide open form factor makes it really easy to simmer and cook with. And the folding wire handle and insulating cozy keep things safe so you don't burn yourself. When you're done cooking and cleaning things up, which won't take long, the handle folds over and makes it easy to pack and store. With the additional pot support, it works with every Jetboil stove, so you can use it with whatever you've already got. All in all, the new 1.5 liter ceramic FluxRing cook pot is the perfect size for 3 or 4 people who don't want to sacrifice on cooking performance just because they're headed into the backcountry.
At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is our new Dragonfly Bikepack tent, the most versatile, ultralight, freestanding tent we've ever designed. Balancing superior packability with generous interior volume and gear storage, we've designed these 1- and 2-person shelters with thoughtful features that cyclists and kayakers will appreciate. With the bikepacking experience in mind, we ditched the brightly colored rainfly and reflective guy lines for a new colorway of stormy night blue and boreal green, so you stealthily blend into a variety of surroundings. With a smartly tapered asymmetrical design that shaves weight, Dragonfly Bikepack offers ample headspace where you need it and trapezoidal vestibules that take gear storage to the next level. A tall tub floor starts with a premium silicone-coated 15D nylon ripstop, ensuring plenty of privacy and rain protection to keep you warm and dry. Single seam construction ensures greater longevity. A high-cut fly in the back, cross-ventilation struts in the rainfly, and no-seam mesh sidewalls provide significant airflow for temperature control while keeping condensation and bugs at bay. Black mesh above blends into the sky for clear stargazing at night. Dragonfly Bikepack's pre-bent DAC Featherlight poles keep weight to a minimum, and color-coded anodized aluminum and matching webbing make for an intuitive, ultra-quick setup. Furthering our sustainability efforts, pole sets are packed in bags sewn from recycled, undyed material, removing thousands of poly bags from the supply chain. A crossbar and high-arching main pole significantly increase volume at the head, peak, and foot ends. And shortened pole sections help achieve a tiny pack size, but we didn't stop there. We designed a technical stuff sack that's loaded with features for a better bikepacking experience, starting with an ultra-durable diamond ripstop exterior fabric and roll-top design to keep your shelter secure and dry. 2 integrated compression straps that are spaced to match the universal geometry of bike braze-ons, and a series of daisy chain webbing loops increase compatibility and mount easily onto any bike or stow into a kayak for a variety of configurations. A Hypalon patch offers a rugged, abrasion-resistant, high-friction area that ensures your shelter is rock solid when mounted on your bike. And an adjustable Velcro handle on the end cap makes carrying easy and adds more stability when biking over rugged terrain. Dragonfly's premium 15D nylon ripstop fly is coated in a durable silicone water repellent, offering the most reliable weather protection possible. And stunning geometry and double stake points on fly doors make for a more weatherproof design and superior accessibility. Dragonfly Bikepack debuts our new landing zone, a reversible 3D gear bucket made of waterproof silicone-coated fabric. Attached with G-hooks and weighing only 60 grams, this add-on extends the protective space of your tent with out-of-the-way waterproof gear storage under your vestibule. We've also added a line of 5 daisy chain loops around the top of the tent canopy, a great place to stash and dry your gear off the ground. Massive trapezoidal vestibules have multiple rollback points, allowing for various exposure configurations and more gear stashing volume than any other tent in its class. Enhancing the experience, Dragonfly Bikepack replaces the old loop and toggle with our newly designed gatekeeper clip to roll back your fly or door with ease. Gear pockets and a generous integrated gear loft at the peak add storage and keep essentials organized. Our newly evolved nightlight pocket is built with a light diffusing fabric that is dyed to shift your headlamp's light color to create an even warmer, more inviting lantern glow inside your tent. For those looking for a superior shelter that offers unprecedented space at a refreshingly small packed size and is loaded with thoughtfully designed features, Dragonfly Bikepack shines a new light on the ultralight bikepacking adventure category. And like all Nemo products, your Dragonfly comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.